This is an example of how to identify the coefficient, the constant, and the variable in an algebraic expression. In this example, we are identifying the coefficient in yellow, the constant in red, and the variable in blue. So our coefficient is the number that multiplies the variable. That means it needs to be next to the variable, needs to be touching it. In this case, that is 36, our coefficient, and it's negative 36 because the sign matters. Our constant is 275. It is the number that stands alone. It is not multiplying the constant. It is not multiplying the variable. It is the number that's by itself. And finally, the variable is your letter. It represents a quantity. If I were to switch this around to be negative 36h plus 275, my coefficient would still be negative 36. My constant would still be 275. And my variable would still be h. Does not matter. Those are still identified the same way. Remember that these expressions are equivalent. They mean the same thing. They have the same value. These are equivalent expressions. So the coefficient, constant, and variable do not change, just where they seem to be changes, but their value stays the same.